What's up guys, GP here of BudgetTECHph, and today we have something fresh and it was just officially released here in the Philippines last week and I'm so excited to unbox it with you guys. We have here the Realme C1. For you guys haven't heard or don't know who Realme is, actually Realme is a former sub-brand of Oppo, but this year they decided to go solo and to be independent from Oppo. But enough of that, let's keep going and unbox this phone. Okay guys, let's unbox this one. Look at that. Okay. First thing you'll see is the free jelly case, and we have here some quick start guide, some manuals right here. Okay, and there you go. Here's the Realme C1. Look at that. I like the color. Okay, let's talk about this phone later. What else do we have here? We have the micro USB cable. Yes. And we have the charger right here. Okay. Right here we have the SIM tray ejector. Put it right there first, and let's talk about the phone. There you go. And just remove this plastic. Okay, this one has a pre-installed screen protector. Look at that. I'm not sure if you can see it, guys. Right there. Okay. And at the back, you can see the glossy design. This one is made of plastic and not made of glass. That. And you can deny it, guys, but this one looks like the Oppo A3s. Okay, right here we have the speaker, the micro USB port, and the 3.5 earphone jack, the volume rocker right here, and the SIM tray, and the power button here. Okay, so for the display, let me just turn it on. Okay guys, for the display, we have here a 6.2 IPS LCD screen right here, and it's a 19:9 display ratio. It's not that bright, or the brightness is just enough, but it has a good viewing angle. Look at that. And for the software, we have here this one is using the Android Oreo 8.1 right there. Okay, so before we test the camera and the facial unlock, or they call it AI facial unlock, we're just gonna give you a rundown of some of its specs. This phone is powered by Snapdragon 450 with a 1.8 GHz octa-core processor, and it's using Adreno 506 GPU. This one has a 16 GB of internal storage with a 2 GB of RAM, and it has 4,230 mAh battery. You can get this for a reasonable price of 5,990 pesos only. Okay guys, now let's test the AI facial unlock. Okay, I already registered my face earlier, so let's test it now. Let me just show it to you guys that it's currently locked. There you go. So it's pretty fast actually, guys. And enough of the facial unlock, and let's proceed to the camera. Okay, right here you have your 13 megapixel camera and 2 megapixel camera, and your selfie camera is a 5 megapixel camera. So I'm just gonna take it outside and take some couple of shots, and then I'm gonna show it to you later. Okay guys, for the camera, the results are pretty standard and you can expect anything out of this world. But for its price, I actually like it. And one more thing that you need to know about this phone is that this phone cannot transfer apps from internal storage to SD card yet. But hopefully, Realme will fix that and include that on their future updates. But if you guys know a third-party app that can do that, please comment down below. Okay guys, that's it for our hands-on and unboxing of Realme C1. And don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, please do give us a thumbs up and hit that notification bell as well. I'll see you guys next time.